to my channel. So today we are doing the high-end Soft Glam makeup look. From the research that I did, Soft Glam is supposed to mean that it's going to be like a very flawless, seamless, kind of almost natural. Like the most wedding day makeup I think is considered Soft Glam. I know a lot of people have been doing like the matte versions with brown colors. And I am going to do that when I do the drugstore version, just because I really have a palette that I want to use that I think will be really good for the drugstore Soft Glam. So this one we're going to try to use a little bit of color today, and we are going to try to keep it matte. I know I usually like to do glowy and dewy because I have really dry skin, but today we're going to try to do a really matte, little bit of color Soft Glam. With that out of the way, let's just get into this look. The palette we're going to be using today is the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and I chose this palette just because it is also very neutral and it has like a soft glam look to it, but it does have a few pops of color that I really want to use. I think we're going to use that today and see what kind of look we can make out of it. Like I said, this is going to be a high-end makeup look, but I actually don't own a high-end eyeshadow primer. You guys know I use the one from Revolution all the time, and you guys are probably sick of it. So I figured today I would just use a different one. This is going to be the Milani eyeshadow primer. This one. For transition colors, we're going to go in with these two shades right here. This is the shades Butterscotch and For the Gram. In with Cookie Call, which is like a plumbing brown shade, and we're gonna put that in this outer corner. Those colors down and blend it out. Most of this look is going to be blending, which is really majority of any eyeshadow look, just constantly blending colors out. But I think what I'm gonna go for this Soft Glam is really like a blurred, grungy kind of eye look with the pop of color. Don't know if that's really considered Soft Glam, but that's the look I'm going for. So I was gonna go with Midnight Snack, but I'm kind of feeling this purpley color with maybe a little bit of this. So I think that's what we're gonna try, and then if I don't like it, we'll go a different route. The end of the eye look. I end up changing my mind about using Spicy Mommy, and I just use Drizzle it all over the lid, and then you can't really see it, but to blend the colors together I use a little bit of Cookie Cutter. And so this is basically it for the eyes. Alright, so to prime my face we're going to go in with the Smashbox Primerizer and the Tatcha Silk Canvas. And we're using both of these because I actually didn't put on a moisturizer today, so we're going to use the Smashbox for that. And then I'm going to use the Tatcha for areas where I have larger pores, which is usually on my nose and then like right at the tops of my cheeks. I put the Tatcha one right here where my smile lines are because lately my makeup has been really settling into those lines throughout the day. And I'm filming another video after this, so I want this makeup to last. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm trying to use makeup that I haven't been using in my other videos. So today we're going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I have mine in the shade Born Sand. So even though we already primed the face, during my makeup process I like to spray my face with something. Usually it's the NYX Bare With Me Set and Prime Refresh Mist, but because we're doing a high-end look, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Quick Fix. And I think this is, yeah, it's a prep priming spray, but I like to use this throughout my makeup application process. Concealer, we're going to go in with our Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. For powder, we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty. Since we're trying to go for our matte kind of look, I am going to set my entire face. Not too much because we do have dry skin. We don't want to dry our skin out. Bronzer, we're going to contour with the Hoola Benefit, and we're going to bronze with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting and Radiant Bronze Light. I don't have a matte high-end blush, so we're just going to go in with this one from Nars. Blush does have a bit of a glow to it, but it's okay. So since we're keeping everything matte, we're not doing any highlighter, and we're just going to go in with our lashes and our brow. Lashes, we're going to go in with these ones from Pure. These are the Pro 3D Cruelty-Free Luxe Lashes in the style Diva. And then for our brow pencil, we're going to use Spiked by M.A.C. I do really like this brow pencil, but I don't love that it doesn't have a spoolie, so we are going to have to use our own spoolie brush. And this is just one from a BH Cosmetics set. That's where like 95% of my brushes are different sets from BH Cosmetics. They're super affordable and they're really good, so if you haven't tried them, you really should. So right now we don't have any brows or lashes on, and now brows are on. I also went in with the Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner just in my waterline. I just feel like it was missing a little bit of something. So now we're going to go in and do our lips. And I know you guys are sick and tired of me using BFF3, so we're going to use Taraus from Colourpop because I don't own really any high-end lip liners because Colourpop is just, they're my favorite. Those of you who think BFF3 is too dark or is too of a cool tone brown, you probably really like Taraus. For our actual lip product, we're going to go in with this Nars lip pigment in American Woman. That is such a pretty lip combo. It's nice and pinky, but it's still a little bit nude because of this Taraus lip liner. A bit too, just a smidge too pink for me though, so I'm going to go just in the center with this Bareminerals liquid lipstick. And I'll finish off the look. We are going to use my Urban Decay setting spray in the All Night Summer Solstice. This is the finished look of our high-end Soft Glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, stay on the lookout for the drugstore version of this Soft Glam look, and I'll see you guys in the next one.